Our world is a magnificent symphony of vibrations, a constant interplay of energy and motion. Everything around us, and indeed within us, resonates at its own unique frequency. This fundamental truth shapes our very existence. At its core, sound is simply a vibration. It is the movement of energy through a medium, creating waves that our ears perceive. This seemingly simple principle holds profound implications for our overall well-being and inner harmony. The vibrations we encounter directly impact our physical bodies, from the gentle hum of a refrigerator to the deep resonance of a singing bowl. These frequencies interact with our cellular structures. They can influence our physiological processes in subtle yet powerful ways. Beyond the physical, vibrations also profoundly affect our mental states. Certain sounds can soothe and calm, while others might agitate or energize. Our emotional landscape is often shaped by the auditory environment we inhabit. Sound healing is an ancient yet increasingly recognized practice that harnesses the power of these vibrations. It consciously employs specific sounds and frequencies to bring about positive changes within us. This intentional use of sound aims to restore balance and promote healing. The practice of sound healing actively promotes health across various dimensions of our being. It addresses not just physical ailments, but also emotional imbalances and mental stress. It offers a holistic pathway to greater vitality. Ultimately, sound healing fosters a deep sense of harmony within. By aligning our internal vibrations, it helps us achieve a state of peace and coherence. This harmony extends from our individual selves to our connection with the world. The concept of sound healing is far from new. It is an ancient practice with roots stretching back millennia. Across diverse cultures and continents, humanity has long recognized the profound influence of sound. Evidence of its therapeutic use is found in historical records and traditions worldwide. One of the most iconic examples comes from the Himalayas, Tibetan singing bowls. These beautifully crafted instruments are characterized by their rich, complex, and deeply resonant tones. Their unique sound signature is instantly recognizable. For centuries, these bowls have been used to induce states of deep relaxation. Their sustained vibrations gently guide the mind away from daily stressors. They create an environment conducive to profound inner peace. Tibetan singing bowls are also central to meditation practices. The resonant frequencies help practitioners focus their attention and quiet the incessant chatter of the mind. They serve as a powerful anchor for mindfulness. Beyond relaxation and meditation, these bowls facilitate spiritual connection. Their ethereal sounds are believed to open pathways to higher consciousness. They invite a deeper exploration of one's inner spiritual landscape. Another powerful instrument in ancient sound healing traditions is the gong. Gongs possess incredibly powerful and encompassing vibrations that can be felt throughout the entire body. Their sound washes over you, creating an immersive experience. These instruments were often employed to clear energetic blockages within the body and mind. The intense vibrations are thought to dislodge stagnant energy. This process allows for a freer flow of vital life force. Gongs promote a profound sense of wholeness and integration. Their all-encompassing sound helps to dissolve boundaries between self and environment. They foster a feeling of unity and completeness. Chanting is another ubiquitous form of sound healing, found in countless religious and spiritual traditions globally. From Gregorian chants to Vedic mantras, the human voice has always been a sacred instrument. It is a practice that transcends cultural divides. Chanting utilizes the rhythmic repetition of specific sounds, words, or mantras. This repetitive vocalization creates a powerful vibrational field. The intention behind the chant amplifies its effect. The primary aim of chanting is often to calm the mind. The focused repetition helps to quiet mental distractions and reduce anxiety. It provides a gentle yet firm anchor for attention. Chanting also helps to focus attention, drawing the mind inward. This concentrated awareness can lead to heightened states of consciousness. It cultivates a deep sense of presence and clarity. Through this focused repetition, chanting connects individuals with a deeper sense of self. it can unlock inner wisdom and foster a profound spiritual awakening. It is a journey into the core of one's being. Ancient practices universally recognized sound's inherent power to heal and transform. This understanding was not merely anecdotal, but deeply integrated into their worldviews. It was a cornerstone of their holistic health systems. This profound wisdom was carefully passed down through generations, often orally or through sacred texts. The knowledge of sound's therapeutic properties was preserved and revered. It formed an unbroken lineage of healing. The influence of sound on the human experience was acknowledged as fundamental. It was understood that sound could shape reality, heal the sick, and elevate the spirit. This ancient insight continues to resonate today. In our contemporary era, modern science is increasingly beginning to validate these ancient traditions. What was once considered mystical is now being explored through empirical research. This convergence of old and new knowledge is truly exciting. Research offers tantalizing glimpses into the effectiveness of sound healing. Studies are uncovering the physiological and psychological mechanisms at play. We are gaining a deeper understanding of how sound impacts us. One significant area of research focuses on how sound can directly influence brainwave activity. Our brains operate at different frequencies, corresponding to various states of consciousness. Sound can gently guide these states. Specific frequencies, such as those found in binaural beats, can entrain the brain. This means they can encourage brainwaves to synchronize with the external frequency. It's like tuning an instrument to a specific pitch. This entrainment can induce states of deep relaxation, often associated with alpha waves. These brainwave patterns are characteristic of calm alertness and reduced stress. They promote a sense of ease and tranquility. Furthermore, certain frequencies can guide the brain into states of deep meditation, characterized by theta waves. These slower brainwave patterns are linked to creativity, intuition, and profound inner peace. They facilitate access to deeper levels of consciousness. Sound also impacts the cardiovascular system in measurable ways. The rhythmic patterns and soothing frequencies can have a direct effect on our heart's function. This connection highlights the body's intricate responsiveness to sound. Research shows that sound can influence heart rate variability, a key indicator of nervous system balance. Improved heart rate variability suggests a healthier, more resilient cardiovascular system. It reflects a state of calm and adaptability. This influence promotes a profound sense of calm throughout the body. As the heart rate stabilizes and variability improves, the entire system relaxes. It moves away from a state of fight or flight. Rhythmic sounds, in particular, have the ability to synchronize with the body's natural rhythms. Our bodies are inherently rhythmic, from our breath to our heartbeat. Sound can help align these internal clocks. This synchronization leads to a measurable reduction in stress hormones like cortisol. When our internal rhythms are harmonized, the body perceives less threat. This reduces the physiological markers of stress. Consequently, individuals often experience increased feelings of well-being and contentment. The body's natural healing mechanisms are activated. A sense of peace and balance is restored. Beyond systemic effects, research is now exploring sound's impact on a cellular level. This frontier of science investigates how vibrations might interact directly with our cells. It delves into the very building blocks of life. Specific frequencies may influence cellular function, potentially affecting processes like metabolism and repair. The idea is that cells, like everything else, resonate at particular frequencies. These frequencies can be optimized. This opens up the potential for promoting healing at a foundational level. If cellular function can be positively influenced, it could accelerate recovery from illness or injury. It offers a new paradigm for therapeutic intervention. There is also potential for promoting regeneration of tissues and cells. Imagine sound waves encouraging cellular growth or repair in damaged areas. This concept holds immense promise for future medical applications. While scientific understanding in this area is still evolving, the initial findings are incredibly promising. Researchers are diligently working to unravel the complex interactions between sound and biology. The journey of discovery is ongoing. The potential to address a wide range of health concerns through sound is becoming increasingly evident. From chronic pain to mental health disorders, sound healing offers a complementary approach. It provides a gentle yet powerful avenue for support. Sound healing offers a powerful and holistic approach to well-being, integrating mind, body, and spirit. It is a gentle yet profound method for fostering inner peace and physical health. This ancient wisdom is now finding its place in modern wellness. Understanding sound as a fundamental vibration is key to appreciating its immense potential. When we recognize that everything is energy in motion, the impact of specific frequencies becomes clear. This perspective shifts our view of healing. Scientific research continues to unravel the mysteries of vibrational frequencies and their effects on living systems. Each new study brings us closer to a comprehensive understanding. The journey of discovery is ongoing and exciting. As this knowledge expands, we can expect greater recognition of sound healing as a legitimate therapeutic modality. Its efficacy will become more widely accepted within mainstream health practices. The stigma surrounding alternative therapies will diminish. Consequently, we can also anticipate greater utilization of sound healing in various settings. From hospitals to wellness centers, its applications will broaden. It will become a more accessible tool for everyone. Ultimately, sound healing is a valuable tool for promoting health in its broadest sense. It supports physical vitality, emotional balance, and mental clarity. It empowers individuals to take an active role in their well-being. It is also an invaluable resource for cultivating balance and inner peace in our often chaotic world. By tuning into harmonious frequencies, we can find our center. Sound offers a pathway to profound tranquility and self-discovery.